Hey sis, okay, welcome back to my channel. I am here to give you the 411 on this unit. Stay tuned. Okay sis, so she heard this unit, right, is the 40-inch synthetic lace U-shape wig. This is what it looks like. I don't know if y'all can see that. But it's from Newborn Free Blended Premium Hair, Human Hair U-shaped lace wig. Hand tie lace closure, 4x4 parting space. This is in the color number 4. The item number is MLUH100. Okay? Okay. So let's get into this tea. Like, because I am sick and tired of watching YouTube videos or seeing sis out at the grocery store at Walmart and her hair looking like, oh girl, where you get that hair from? And she tells me, or I see a video and they tell me, and I buy the wig, and guess what? It ain't nothing like the video. It ain't nothing like sis in the grocery store. It's completely different, and it takes so much time. So, this is 40 inches like I said. So this is her. Yeah, see, I'm on a video and I'm looking all, I feel like people make videos and they're like, yeah, sis, so this hair is good. It doesn't shed. It doesn't tangle. Lies. They lying. Okay? I'm going to give you the real. Okay? This is 40 inches of synthetic hair. This thing tangles. I had it for New Year's Eve. And I might insert some pictures of like what my hair looked like, my whole outfit and all that. Because I wanted to go extra. 40 inches. I'm trying to go out, trying to bring in the new year, looking right. Right? I had the hair I was in Vegas for like a week. Sis tangled from the time I put it on until now. And then I flat ironed it, which it does take good to flat iron because it's supposed to be human hair. I used my Chi. Oh, what's it? I used my Chi iron to flat iron her. And see, it's coming through really nice because I just flat ironed it before this video. So yeah, it flat irons well, but when she tangles, baby, she tangles. She tangles. She tangles. She tangles a lot. Like it's constant brushing when you have this wig. I mean, it's 40 inches, so 40 inches of virgin hair is going to do the same thing. It's really long hair, but other than that, I do love this wig because it has really good texture in it. Like, if my hair was this long, 40 inches long, I feel like sis would look like this. Like, it's really textured. But at the same time it's straight hair, so to me it looks really good. Now about the lace, let me get it close. Let me see if I can get this in for y'all. The lace on her already comes kind of dyed, like tinted, and I just made the middle part and made my hair in the middle part, and I put some eyeshadow on it, on the part, and blended that down. And I took well, first I put concealer first, and then I put mascara around the edges to clean it up, and then I went back and put eyeshadow down the part, and then made my part. So y'all let me know in the comments if it looks good, if I'm looking legit, or I need to change my technique. But anywho, other than that, I'm gonna tell you what I do for this hair. So before I put it up, I make sure I brush it out, comb it out, do whatever I need to do before I put this hair up. At night, I don't sleep in it whatsoever. And I have my hair braided, going down this way and then some in the back. And so on my edges, I have my wig starting back about here. And so my edges, I just lay down. I use Eco Styler Gel, which I don't have with me, but the green one. And then I use Murray's Extreme Hold Edge Wax on top of that, because I want my edges to be laid. I'm natural. I need them to be slicked down. Then I put some ORS Edge Control on top of that. And then I tie it up and, you know, let it do what it do. And then I come back and use my trusty, not dusty, toothbrush. And I use the Gorilla Snot Gel. And this is the punk one. So it's like the hold is number 10. And I just gel my edges down with that. And then I put a little bit of the punk Gorilla Snot Gel in the middle of my part, like of my hair, just so I can have it to where I can lay down the lace in the front so it can be seamless and natural looking. So when it's time to put the wig on, I let that dry a little bit, put the wig on, and then I just make sure I put the wig on, and then I just make sure that I line my part up, the lace part up with my part, and I put the gel that's already there. I just make sure I lay it down with my comb like that, like so, and she's on and she's secure. Brush her out, flat iron her out if I have to. I haven't washed the hair yet, but it says that you can't wash it. It doesn't say that you can flat iron it, actually, like on the card it doesn't, but of course it says premium human hair. So I have flat ironed it with my chi. My chi goes up to about 400 degrees. And it doesn't have a dial on it, so I just turn it on, flat iron it when I need to, which is seeming like every day. Like whenever I wear it, this is not an everyday hair. I try to wear it every day and it's not, but you see that? See how sis is acting up at the ends, acting up. So I probably need to wash it. But I decided I'm gonna give y'all the tea on wigs after I wear them, because there's so many videos out there that give you the tea on the hair when they first get in. Of course, it's like fresh out the pack, it's looking good, it's looking great, it's like, ah, that hair is cute, wear it a little bit, and then it's like, oh, did I waste my money or did I not? For this hair, I feel like I did not waste my money, because the texture is really good, and I can flat iron it, and I can wash it, and if I want to, I can cut it up. It's 40 inches. I can cut it to whatever length I want to where it's manageable, probably not tangle as much. But the hair is beautiful. I get so many compliments off of it. It's really, really extra, so if you don't like extra hair, then this hair isn't for you, because it comes all the way down past my butt. This hair comes past my butt, and I'm about 5'6". So, like I said, the biggest thing for me is the fact that she tangles. But once I put her on, brush her out. Whoo, y'all hear that? And I just flat ironed it. I brush her out, and then I make sure I take my boar bristle brush, and I just brush over all the flyaways, anything that might be sticking out the top. Because with straight hair, I feel like your hair needs to be seamless. It needs to look good at all times. So yeah, and then I just, you know, tuck her depending on what I'm doing, what I'm going for. But she's gonna give you the look. Like, if you're just going for the look and you don't really care about brushing and comb, because I'm one of the people, I brush a lot. So maybe if you're like me and you brush a lot and you want to make sure your straight hair stays straight, this wig is not for you. But if you are extra and you have like an event going on or a photo shoot or something like that, this is most definitely a wig that you want to have in your collection, because she's gonna do it for you. She's gonna do it. She's gonna give you what you need. So I'm gonna turn around and let you see the back. Still got my flat iron hooked up. This is her in the back. And on the side. So, yeah, if you guys have wigs that you want me to review, or you think like, I've been thinking about this wig, but I don't know how it's gonna wear first, let your girl know in the comments. Hit me up. This is what I'm here for. Like, I'm here to give you the 411, the real deal, Holyfield. No in between, no faking, no shaking, none of that. Like, we gonna get down to these wigs. We gonna get down to them, and we gonna let you, sis, I'm here for you. I'm sis here, gonna let sis there let you know what's going on, if it's worth it or if it's not. So thank you guys for watching. If you want to purchase this wig or know where I got it from Sam's Beauty. I'll leave the link in the description so you can look at it. It was about $60. So not bad for a 40-inch hair. I mean, depending on what you need it for, she gonna hook you up. She gonna give you the look. But I'm a virgin hair wearer, but I am on the budget, and I'm starting to get back into these synthetic units or these, you know, beauty supply store hair units, because some of them are really, really good. It's just, I don't know about my lace, y'all. Like, y'all need to let me know about this lace. Like, let me know if I'm doing this, you know what I'm saying, correctly. I think she looks good in person, but, you know, camera's a different, camera be telling a whole nother story. You know what I'm saying? So, y'all need to let me know. But, thank you guys so much for watching. And, again, let me know what you think in the comment section. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much. Bye, sis.